Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this simple hijab undercap or hijab inner cap, which can be made in less than 5 minutes. Without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need a stretchy fabric that is 30 inches by 22 inches. So the first thing you will do is you are going to fold your fabric along the 30-inch side into two to give you 15 inches by 22 inches. So the side that is 22 inches has to be very stretchy because that is where you are going to be wearing your cap. So that is where I'm stretching. That's my 22-inch mark. So I'll be folding that part into two again. That means you are folding your fabric into four. So after folding your fabric into four, you are going to measure 15 inches, which is the length. Then for the width, I'll be using 10 inches for mine because my head circumference is 20 inches. But if yours, you measure your head circumference. If your head circumference is 22 inches, you are going to measure 11 inches along that line. Then you shape it out this way. After shaping it out, you are going to open your hijab cap this way. Then you fold it into two with the wrong sides facing each other so that the right side will be outside. So I'm placing the wrong sides on each other this way. Then you fold it back into two. So if you have an overlocker or a serger, you are going to weave these ends that I just showed you. But if you don't have, then you can use your sewing machine to sew along that line. If you also don't have a serger or a sewing machine, then just keep this part. So after sewing or after weaving the ends, the next thing you would do is you are going to pick your thread and needle. You're going to fold your thread into 8 parts. So you fold your thread into 2 this way, then you fold it into 2 again to give you four threads. Then you are going to be threading the 4 threads through your needle, which will give you 8 threads. Then you tie it. So after tying your thread, the next thing you do is you are going to pick the part where you weaved or you sew your cap together. You insert your needle this way. Then you are going to pass your needle through your fabric the same way I'm doing it, in a zigzag manner this way, till you get to the tip of the hijab cap. You repeat the process. So once you are done with that, you are going to pull the thread through the fabric to gather all the sides together, this way. Then you are going to insert your needle into any part of the area that you gathered together and you pull it this way. Then you repeat the same thing. You just insert it into any part and you pull it very well. So once you are sure that the gathered area is well secured, you are just going to tie a knot and your hijab cap is ready. So this is the final look of the hijab inner cap. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Have a great day. Ma salam.